Learn how to run jobs at scale with Azure Batch in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. In this video, we'll execute a simple command line script over multiple compute nodes with Azure Batch service. First, we'll create an Azure Batch account. Let's see, this one. Okay, so first I'll select a resource group. Okay, and now enter a name for the account. That's it. And next, Advanced. Here I can configure authentication and security aspects for the account. I'll leave it as it is and create it. I'll skip to when it is done. Okay, this is the batch account. It can contain pools of compute nodes, which are Azure VMs that execute jobs. Let's create a pool. First, I'll give it a name. Okay, and now for the VM image. Let's pick Windows Server images. And then the core one, like this. Okay, let's see what else. The VMs will be this size. I'll leave that. And I want to have 2 nodes in this pool. Alright, next thing. The pool will use a virtual network, which will be this one. Okay, that's it. Let's create it. The pool is created instantly and it will take a minute to spin up the VMs. Alright, let's add a job for it. This will contain tasks that get executed. And add one. Okay. First, give the job a name. Alright. And now select the pool that the job will run on. This one. Okay. You can use jobs to configure a pipeline for the processing of tasks. I can add preparation tasks, for instance to warm things up or to prepare data and do more. Let's leave this and add the job. Okay, now I can add tasks to the job. These are the things that actually get executed on the pool and are managed by the job. Let's add one. Okay, let's give this one a name as well. And for the command, I use this. This will retrieve the environment variables of Azure Batch and display them on the node, and then wait for 90 seconds. Okay. And as you can see, you can configure a lot of settings for a task. I'll leave these and add the task. I'll add another one and skip ahead. When you create a task, it will automatically execute on any available nodes in the pool. These seem to have completed, so let's take a look. Yep, this seemed to work. It ran for 1.5 minutes and completed. And it produced some files, including this one. This text file contains the output for the task, which is the batch environment variables. Cool! Azure Batch is great for running processes at scale. Go and check it out.